Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Commuterpak. Now this is the next generation everyday carry bag, otherwise known as EDC, by Funk Street Outfitters. Now this is another one of those Kickstarter projects, so let's take a look at the video.
You're the type of person always on the go. You don't sit still, you're active, you're mobile, and the last thing you need is a big heavy bag weighing you down. Built by a team of industry experts, we've created the next generation everyday carry bags perfect for you, the adventurer, the cyclist, the hustler, the traveler. Introducing the Commuterpak by Funk Street Outfitters. First, the bag is built to last and comes standard with a lifetime warranty. We can offer this because we've partnered with a world-class manufacturer that can deliver products of the highest quality. Now don't let its minimalist aesthetic fool you. Get up close and you'll see the next generation materials and components that set the Commuterpak apart. The exterior is made from a subtle yet striking honeycomb ripstop nylon. This state-of-the-art material is ultra lightweight compared to traditional bag fabrics while also being insanely durable, resulting in a bag that's light as a feather and tough as nails. The German-engineered Fidlock magnetic buckle can easily be opened with one hand, giving you instant access to the main storage compartment, which features a padded microfiber sleeve that can house a full-size tablet. When you're ready to go, just close the bag and the buckle's magnetic technology automatically locks into place. Literally every single detail of the bag is premium. The front two pockets feature YKK AquaGuard reverse coil zippers, guaranteeing everything inside stays dry. And the entire bag has cable pass-through integration, so you can charge your devices no matter where they are. With a custom strap design, it can be worn either as a sling or waist bag. For people who want to take it on a real adventure, we've implemented a detachable action strap that prevents the bag from moving around. And with comfort in mind, the bag has an air mesh back panel and a removable shoulder pad. The Commuterpak was inspired by our love to ride, and for cyclists, the interior of the flap features MOLLE webbing, which you can easily pass a U-lock through, making it a killer bike bag. Also, when wearing it at night, we've integrated a reflective strip on the front, making you more visible to motorists. We truly believe we've created the next great everyday carry bag, but none of this can be possible without your support. So please consider backing the project, and we promise it'll be the last EDC bag you'll ever want to own.
Alright, so you've seen the video. This looks like a major go. Now, on the side note, the music from that commercial was pretty lit. Now, this is a Kickstarter campaign. The minimum pledge starts at $60. Now, the retail price is going to be $90, so you better jump on this early. Now, as of today, the KP Sling Bag has been my official bike life bag and my official go to Six Flags and my utility carry around all my little tech gadgets bag. But the major downside to the KP Sling Bag is the look. Now, I wore this bag countless times, and anytime I pull this out, I always get roasted because everybody says it looks like a fanny pack. I always like to say the Manny Pack, but the look of this bag has never been my favorite. I think we got a new bike life bag on deck. All right, so let's get this out the way. Here we go, the Commuterpak. So let me grab a little unboxing knife and we'll check this out. All right, so here we go. The Commuterpak by Funk Street Outfitters. Beautiful. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells like quality. All right, let's play with this little lock right here. Let's see how to work this. Now, this is the magnetic lock. Let's see how easy this is. Okay, so this lifts up. Now, let's see if this magnetizes. Just like that. Now, fresh out of the box, the look of this is 10 times better than the KP Sling. No more getting roasted for having that Manny Pack design. Now, look at the back of this. Super comfortable, very thick, giggity. I'm feeling that. Now, this is all water resistant. You notice it got the little flaps to keep the water from even going in the side. That's a nice little touch. You got your hooks right here. You can use a carabiner to slap something on there. Let's open this up again. Let's check out the inside pockets. All right, so let's see what's inside. Strap. Okay, now look at the attention to detail. That honeycomb pattern, nice pad on the strap. Look at the hooks. You hear that sound? This ain't a cheap plastic hook. I'm really pressing this down with a lot of force. So this is not going to open up by accident. Let's take it to the zippers. YKK zippers with leather trim. Real nice. Okay, some paper on the inside. Now on the inside, let's go through the pockets real quick. This looks like a dedicated cell phone pocket. You got your tablet pocket with a nice soft felt material on the inside. No scratches on deck. Got a little hook right here for your keys. Let's see, you got some more pockets on the inside. Zip up pocket with a mesh lining. That's really nice. Let's see. Now the best way to check out these bags is to stuff them with products. So we'll do that in a second. Okay, so you got two giant pockets on the front. Now it's supposed to have pass-through cable wires. We'll see. Let's unzip this. Okay, so two giant pockets. A lot of pockets on the inside. Got some little hooks right here. Little sleeves. We'll fill some stuff up in that. And that looks like pretty much it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'll pause the video. Now keep in mind, this has two straps. So you can wear this as a messenger bag. You can wear it around your waist, or if you're into that bike life, attach the third attach the third strap and rock it around your waist with extra protection. All right, so let me pause the video real quick. We'll stuff this bag as much as we can, just for demonstration purposes, and we'll see what it looks like. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got the bag fully packed for demonstration purposes. I was walking around wearing it in the house. It's super comfortable. This is without a doubt my new Bike Life bag. On a scale of 1 to 10, for $60, this is a major, major, major go. The days of getting roasted wearing the Manny Pack is officially over. All right, so let's check this out. Now, look-wise, I like the square look. Definitely looks more manly for me. On the back, you see it's nice and padded. Very comfortable. On one side, so I got the carabiner hook. So I got a little JBL speaker. I got another little carabiner. Could have had some keys on here. On the other side, got another carabiner hook. Now I got my flashlight and my firecracker speaker. Now, like I said, this is just for demonstration purposes. I don't be walking around with all this stuff. All right, so let's open up the main compartment first. Now you see this little magnetic lock? I'm definitely feeling that. Nothing to fumble around with. All right, so once we open this up, check this out. Now let's go in one pocket. So the first pocket, I got a bunch of wires and cables. If I was going somewhere and I wanted to bring a bunch of tech products, this is a nice little carry bag right here. Got a little camera right here, so I make my POV videos. And I got my Jaybird headphones. Now, if you notice, the headphones are charging up. You see that cable? This is a pass-through compartment. So let me let y'all get a look at that. You see that hole right there? Pass-through wires. All right, so the Jaybird headphones are charging up while they're in my bag. Let's open up the next compartment. In the next compartment, I got 3 phones. All right, so I got the Mate 10, iPhone 8 Plus, and what's this? Moto Z Force 2. Now, these are big phones. These are the biggest phones you're gonna find. Easily fit in this pocket right here. Now, if you notice, this one doesn't have the pass-through, so you're gonna have to use your pass-through on the left. Now, in the front, got 2 more phones. I got the throwaway, got the trap phone, iPhone 10. All right, so that's 5 phones so far. Now, you got a little hook right here for your keys. All right, so y'all see I got mad keys on here. All my keys safe and secure on this hook. Inside, we got a camera. All right, I got the throwback, the Galaxy camera. Who remembers this? This is a throwback right here. Got a little pocket knife. All right, when I be bike riding in the middle of the night. Anybody ride up on me? You know what that smoke is all about. All right, let's see what else we got. Now, I got another phone in here charging. LG G6 charging up in the bag. Okay. Got the big dog, the Zero Lemon 30,000 milliamp battery charger. Fits in here nice and comfortably. And you see I got the wire pass through. All right, so let's unplug that real quick. Okay, now you got a zip up pocket on the inside. So let's unzip that. That's where you're gonna keep your valuables at. So in here, got a couple of dollars and I got my credit cards. Now, in the tablet compartment, got a full size Huawei MateBook, not MateBook, the Mate tablet. And I also got the Amazon tablet with the case on it. All right, full-size tablets. Those are 10-inch joints right there. Fit in here with no problems. And that's pretty much it. Now you got these flaps on the top. I could have stuck some pens in here. I could have stuck some business cards, whatever I want. The bottom line is $60, weather resistant, quality bag. Now this is quality. Look at this. I'm mostly impressed by this little padding on the back. Now, if you got your bag stuffed with all these gadgets, it's going to be a little bit heavy. So when I was walking around demoing this in the house, you could feel this padding resting against your side. This is going to be perfect for the bike life activities. Nobody can't roast me because this definitely doesn't look like a Manny pack. You heard that magnetic lock? This is another part that's pretty dope. All right, no fumbling around. Locks right into place. All right, so this is the Commuterpak by Funk Street. Funk Street by Funk Street. All right, Funk Street. We'll leave it at that. Commuterpak by Funk Street. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. For $60, you better jump on this. I can almost guarantee you, I'd bet money that this is going to come to the market and the price is going to jump to about $100. All right, so jump on this early. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.